Hello there folks, and how is it going, and welcome back to another video. Now you're probably thinking to yourselves, Neil, you haven't done a video for weeks, and then all of a sudden here you're getting two in the 1 week and then a possible third one tomorrow, or a third one tomorrow. What's happening? Fun times are being had, folks. That is what's happening. Now look at this fine looking piece of kit I have on my head. Truth be told, folks, it's roasting hot and I need to take this off pretty much immediately. Well, it's roasting. It's very, very warm. But that just goes to show you that this particular beanie is an awesome beanie. I love a good beanie, and I do enjoy a cap. Don't get me wrong, I do enjoy a cap, but ever since my kind of new metal days, I was always a bit more of a beanie guy. And that's one absolutely wonderful feature about this particular hat right here, is the depth of the hat. It gives that kind of like Deftones kind of corn vibe that one would look for in a beanie, or at least the one that I look for in a beanie. And and keeping your head warm and stylish at the same time is obviously a major plus for me, and looking cool for all the cool kids out there. But nonetheless, it is an incredibly warm, snug fitting hat. There's not a huge amount one can say about a beanie in a video, other than to say that if you do enjoy beanies, then you're on to a winner here. Now again, I can't help but allude to the kind of like the other beanie we were talking about in the previous video, and this whole kind of like pocket thing. And any beanie that has a fold essentially can pretty much put what you like in there. Do you know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, lens cap, whatever. I got my glasses going on in there. I got my car keys. And here's my phone. Let's bang the old phone in there. Now that doesn't really fit, but you get what I'm saying. You've got your curved edges, your styling deep fit, and of course your little pockets and the logo. I really love the logo. That's one of the things that I really enjoy about the branding is really great. So it's lovely, Yeah, I really love the beanie. And as far as kind of like well constructed beanies go, this is well constructed beanie. It's thick. It's thick. This lad would keep you well warm in the winter time. Like I say here, it's a bit warm for a beanie now, but I'm pretty sure I have some pictures of me sporting this wonderful beanie that I'll pop up here on the screen, that we have been taking selfie style over the last few months as Orla and I have traveled about the place. But other than that, yeah, I think I'll just try and keep this one super short and sweet. Now the beanie does come in 5 different colors. I opted for the wonderful green. One, it's incredibly flattering for my gorgeous eyeballs. 2, I'm Irish and it's green. So what can you do there? You gotta have that. They have a nice black color, smoky kind of gray, and all sorts of lovely stuff. So really, you're in for a treat when you go shopping for a beanie over there. The knit is really nice. It's like a premium kind of feel to the knitting. Who knew you could talk so much about a beanie? But here we are nonetheless. As I say, the knitting is really lovely. You can tell that it was crafted with kind of like intention, and that's what's so wonderful about it. And again, the logo is nice and prominent there on the front. So anyways, I am going to keep this one very short and sweet, folks. So look, if you're in the market again, like I say, for a beanie, by all means give the link below a click and go have a look at their offerings there. Again, it's not affiliated, and as I mentioned in the last video, yesterday's video, this isn't like a paid review or anything along those lines. It's just a nice little exchange. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow's video, when we look at those wonderful waterproof socks, we are going to be down by the river and having a laugh down there. So I look forward to seeing you then. Beanie time. Take it easy, everybody. Cheers.